Okay, we're going to head on into our actual step-by-step procedures for the European facial. So the first thing you're going to be doing is an eye and lip cleanse. And of course, anytime we go to touch our client, we're going to sanitize our hands. And then you'll have your little blue bowl of water and you'll get your eye pads wet. And you're going to put a little bit of cleanser on onto that. And however you've been taught, again, I'm not going to be, there's no technique I'm grading you on. Lip cleanse, same thing, a little bit of cleanser on that. I'm going to hold the lips outside to in with my movements so that the lip stays with me. And this is going to go immediately in my trash. I'm going to come and I'm going to do my eye cleanse. However you've been trained to do your eye cleanse is totally fine. Again, I'm not going to be grading on technique. I'm going to be grading that you're doing it and that you're doing it safely and sanitary. And then after we finish our eye and lip cleanse, we will stop. You'll step back and wait for further instruction. Our next procedure will be the cleanse. We're doing one cleanse only, so we'll go ahead and get our cleanser out of our palette, and we'll add some water to our cleanser most likely, and we're going to come in, we're going to clean the décolleté, the neck, the face, and I'm looking to see that you know how to do a basic cleanse procedure. I will be giving you a 2-minute warning for each of these procedures. And my hint to you is when I say 2-minute warning, you should be at that point turning around and getting a towel out of your towel cavity. So once I've done my cleanse, I'll go to my towel cavity and I'll get my nice warm towel. I'm looking to see that you're testing your towel before you apply it to your client. And then we'll apply this onto the décolleté and then do a barber wrap. However you choose to do your barber wrap is fine. You won't be graded on that. I will be looking to see that you've removed all the cleanser. Okay, so make sure there's no product left on that skin. When you're done with your cleanse, you're going to step to the side and wait for your next procedure. Your next procedure will be a scrub. So you can just use a standard scrub if you want, or if you want to work with Dermalogica's microfoliant, you either put that in a cup and whisk it up with your brush, or you can put it in your hands and add water. The main thing is that there is a scrub on the face, and you're going to apply that scrub, and you're going to go in and you're going to do what would be considered scrubbing motions, which is circular and they're quick, and we're working on the face only. So you'll spend a couple minutes on this. Again, I'll give you a 2-minute warning. You'll go to your towel cavity, pull out your towel and test it, and you're going to come in and remove your scrub. Now here's a tip. Don't use a lot of scrub. It's hard to remove. I'm going to be coming over and looking to see, is there any scrub left on the face? And if there is, you're going to get a markdown. So don't put too much on to begin with, and that will make the day easier. My next procedure that you'll be doing is going to be a massage procedure. And this is going to be massaging the neck, the décolleté, and the face. I'm looking to see that you can show me some friction movements, that you can show me some effleurage motions, some vibration, or excuse me, some tapotement motions, and some petrissage, which is going to be some pinching or rolling motions. So I'm looking to see that you know the motions, and you're going to spend about 8 minutes doing your massage. Again, we're massaging the décolleté, the neck, and the face. And when I give you the 2-minute warning, that's the time to make sure you're getting your towel out, testing it, and removing all your massage product. Now I'm walking around and I'm looking to see each of these steps you're removing the product. That's an important part. Okay, now we're going to go into our mask procedure. So you'll go to your palette and either put it into your hands and apply with your hands, or if you want to, you can bring a brush and you can apply the mask with a brush. I'm looking to see that you're doing it safely. You're not getting it in their eyes. You're not getting it on their lips. It's not up their nostrils. And then that's going to sit. So I'm looking to see that that entire face is covered in a mask. A lot of times you only do this part. So I'm looking to see it goes all the way to the ears, not on the ears, but to the ears, and all the way to the chin and all the way to the top of the forehead. While that mask sits on, you're going to go do a hand and arm massage, both arms. What I'm looking for with this, I'm looking to see that your pressure's towards the heart. I'm looking to see that you're supporting the joints, so there shouldn't be any straight arms. If you're going to lift the arm, you should support that arm for your client. And so it's going to take you about 10 minutes between mask application. Again, when you hear me say 2-minute warning, that's kind of your sign it's time to be getting that towel. So again, you're going to remove the mask completely. I will be looking to make sure there's no mask left. When you're done with that, your next procedure will be finishing the facial procedure. So what that means is, just like you do with the school, we're going to finish with a toner, and you can do a spritz toner, you can do a wipe toner, I don't care what kind of toner you use. And we're going to put our moisturizer, and we're going to be wearing sunscreen. Once I'm finished with that, I'm going to step to the side. So each of these procedures is a procedure within itself. I've broken it down. We're only doing the eye and lip cleanse. We're only doing the cleanse procedure. We're only doing the scrub. We're only doing, so we'll all be doing it together. It makes it easier for me to be able to see what you guys are doing and make sure that you're on target. So that's how you're going to be doing your European facial. It will be on a model, not a doll head. So your clients will have been draped ahead of time, and we're going to be doing each of those steps: cleanse, scrub, or exfoliate, I should say. It should be a scrub of some kind. Massage, neck, décolleté, and face. Application of mask, hand and arm massage, tone, moisturizer, and SPF. Okay, those are your steps for your European facial for your practical exam.